Okay, right now it's 2:39 p.m. I'm gonna show how this is in action. So I plugged it in. I fill another tank of clean water with detergent. Warm water. Same thing, 58 milliliter with about 3,000 milliliter clean water. Clean warm water. And I'm just gonna start this. I gotta do this one-handed. Let's see how this thing. Show everybody how this thing works. Okay, get my wire. Get the wire on my back. So use my left hand for the camera, on the right hand for the vacuum cleaner, detergent vacuum cleaner. So I turn it on, press this lever, spray the water and suck it up. Here we go. I'm gonna. Yeah, there's some dirty water here. Let's see. Test it. Yeah, it's wet. I feel it's wet. Yep, it's wet. Look at that. All this detergent on my hand. Okay, so I'll keep going. Finish the rest. I already finished this part.